Hello folks, Dag Miniatures here. Happy to see you on my channel. I've been getting a lot of questions on how I make my snow bases on Frostgrave Minis, on Star Wars Legion and stuff like this. So today will be a very short and simple tutorial on how to make cool looking snow on your bases. Basically we will need baking soda, PVA glue, and white paint. I use white ink from Liquitex, but you can use any white color you like, because PVA and soda can give you this yellowish tint, and it can get yellow with time. So to avoid this we will need white paint. So okay, we have two painted snowtroopers here. These miniatures are from Handrew 3D. I'll give a link in the description below. They are already painted and ready for bases. So okay, take any canister, I don't know, plastic cup, pour your PVA glue, get some soda, like a spoonful of soda, and if you're using like white like Liquitex, or you're using heavy body acrylics, just add like some drops of it and give it a good mix. If you see that your mix is not watery enough, if it's not, like gel, if it's dry, just add a little bit water, few drops at a time, because you don't want it to be too watery or too dry. It should be like a paste, like some stuff from Vallejo. Then just take one of your old brushes and just spread it all across the base. If you have like the scenic base, you need to keep in mind where the snow will accumulate. If you have like a plain base with just some texture, like I do in this example, just spread it over, and you will get this drying stuff on your brush. It's water is evaporating pretty fast, and you will get this paste drying really fast, and you just keep just pressing it onto the boots of the model, on the cloak, just to give it a little bit of winter weathering. The more you dilute, the more water you will add to this mix, the more, semi-transparent the snow will get. As a final step, to give it a whole, white look and give it some more winter atmosphere, I usually spray a thin layer of white ink on top of it. I spray it on the boots, on the snow, on the cloaks, on the knee pads, but it should be very, very thin. If you are not using inks, and if you use just colors, be sure to dilute it really, really well. It's better to make two passes than ruin your base any miniature. And here is a finished result, and it looks like all my winter themed minis. So yeah, it's that easy. I hope you like it, guys, so please subscribe to my channel, push the like button, check my Instagram. That's all. See you next time.